legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, so here we are on day 14. All right, yeah, okay. Deep breath. You have to download a practice app. A lot of people may tell you to jump right in and, jump right into the fire. I don't know. If I could do things over, I would probably spend some time practicing. So go to your app store and download a practice investing app where you can make trades using real live data from the live market and just see how you do there, right? And once you have gained some confidence, perhaps then you can start thinking about joining a real account. So I would say for this day and for this step, certainly practice using a practice investing app.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a